Okay, I'm going to introduce if statement. Um, if statement is basically is a selection statement, and which allows a computer to make choices. So it's based on a Boolean condition. So the Boolean data type is basically is either true or false, and these are the Boolean operators. The first one is not equals, not equal, and less than, greater than, and less than equal, and greater than equal. So if you look at this expression, this whole okay, this is Boolean operator which is not equal. This whole thing is a Boolean expression. So Boolean expression, right, is always at the end, right, has to be evaluated as either true or false. In this case is what? This is not equal. So 4 is not equal to 4, right? So which is false, right? So this is like a example in the book. So if you look at this if-else statement, um, there's always what? There's always Boolean expressions. So if, okay, there's if, the Boolean expressions. If this is true, if first number is greater than second. So first, if you look at the first two statement, this code asks a user to enter the first number and then second number. So if the first number is greater than second, maximum value is the first and minimum value is the second. Else, otherwise, so when this is not true, that means it's false, then it's going to execute the sequence statement number 2, which is belong to this else statement. Else, the maximum is second and the minimum becomes first, right? So so basically the if statement is like this. So you have if statement, and then there's always a Boolean expressions, right? This Boolean expression is either becomes true or false, and then you have to have a colon, else, and then colon. So basically there's a statement. So if this Boolean expression becomes true, then you're going to evaluate this statements, sequence of statement. Otherwise, if this Boolean expression becomes false, then it's going to evaluate the sequence of statements after else. Okay? So this is like a false, and then this is like a true, and this is like if statement. Now the one example is, let's say x is 5, y is 1, right? So if x is greater than y, for example, right? And colon, I'll say the maximum value is, let's say x, and the minimum value is y. Else, note that there is indentations. This indentation means that this two statement belong to this if statement, and then the max. So this is when this sequence statement is executed if this Boolean expression is a true, right? And then max, otherwise is opposite. Max becomes y, and then mins becomes x. So when this statement is executed, when this Boolean expression evaluated as false. Okay, so basically this program, what this program does is compare x and y, and if they and then try to find out which value is the maximum value and which value is a minimum value. In this case, obviously x should be the maximum because 5 is greater than 1, right? So let's write this program. This is my idle, so let's open a new file. So let's say x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1. If x is greater than y, then max value is, this is max is another variable name, maximum, I can say maximum, but I'll just say max is x, and then minimum value should be y. Oops, I forgot to put the colon. So I just put a little bit more indentations, and else, and then colon. Okay, they really want to start in from here. Else, the max is equal to y is opposite now, right? Min is becomes x. So print the max value is max, print min value is min. Okay, so save this. Go to C, Python. I'll just say if else statement, and then I'm going to run this. So the maximum value is 5 and minimum value is 1. But if I just change this number, let's say this time is x is 1 and y is 5, then the result should be opposite, right? This time, since 1 is greater than 5, which is what? This evaluated to be false. So it's going to execute the this statement, these statements. So max becomes now 5 and min becomes 1. Save and run. See this up. Still, yes, they find the max is 5 and min is, but this time, so always give me the correct result. So this program basically is find which value is maximum and which value is minimum, and then give me the that maximum value and minimum value.